If you are afraid to spend a lot on a rotary tool, you should take a shot at the Wen 2305 without any hesitation. Believe it or not, this best rotary tool comes at a shoestring budget. Seriously, the price is ridiculously low. Yet, it can be used for a lot of personal use projects. So, why pay more for a big brand product? This thing is equally efficient, and it won't take too many adjustments to run it. Moreover, it won't overheat like other cheaper models out there, even if you put it to 2 to 3 hours of straight use. It's also much quieter during use. It does vibrate a bit. But then, the vibration is not excessive to piss you off. So, it shouldn't be of major concern to you. Everything taken into account, there's no better rotary tool than this one in its price range. Honestly speaking, it could even be your primary tool. Product features. The Wen 2305 offers great work flexibility with its speed setting ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. At 3.5 pounds, it's pretty lightweight too. Basically, this single tool can help you complete a lot of projects without any hiccups. You can use it to drill, cut, sand, grind, polish, and shape objects. The flexible shaft attachment on this unit is perfect for jobs that require great precision and accuracy. Moreover, it comes with sufficient freebie bits to help you get started right out of the box. As long as your expectations are real, there's no way you will be disappointed with this rotary tool. For a weekend hobbyist, this rotary tool should be a no-brainer choice. Keep in mind that this tool also comes with an amazing storage case that will help you keep everything together. Pros. This best rotary tool comes with a bunch of accessories, which should tell you how versatile it is. Given how well this rotary tool works, you are bound to be pleased with the results. The variable speed setting allows you to adjust the RPM based on the project's needs. It's available in both cordless and corded models to suit the varied needs of power tool shoppers. This rotary tool will pay for itself in no time by helping you do all sorts of projects around the house. Cons. Construction-wise, the Wen 2305 toolkit is not as solid as other expensive models in its category. It cannot be used for heavy-duty improvement tasks. But then, it's good enough for most home projects. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.